students' parents, the students who are going to write their 12th standard examinations in a short period. So a few months are left, countable days. Think you are planning for it and studying and working hard for it. StudyGuideIndia.com. Our good wishes, greetings and good wishes to all of you. In this program, we are going to explain you about joint entrance examinations meant for Indian Institute of Technology. That is joint entrance examination, JEE Main 2019. This time, the National Testing Agency, this is the autonomous body, the Ministry of Human Resource Development has given the authority for this NTA, National Testing Agency, to conduct JEE Main examination. This is the news for you. And what is the objective of this JEE examinations? Number one, to write JEE Advanced to get the seats for BE and BTech and integrated science courses in all Indian Institute of Technologies in India. Number two, to get admission in NITs, National Institute of Technologies, IIITs, Indian Institute of Information Technologies, CFT, centrally funded institution, engineering institutions, and the other participating institution and the respective state governments which are agreeing to take students from JEE Main results. So sometimes this state government institution may consider 12 marks. There is other states other than Tamil Nadu, I mean. The JEE Main consists of what? Two papers. Paper 1 is meant for BE and BTech, Bachelor of Engineering and Bachelor of Technology. The paper 2 is meant for B.Org and B Planning to get the seats in other than IITs. And this paper 1 is the computer-based test, online test. And paper 2, the paper 2 that is meant for what? B.Org and B Planning, partially online test and partially it is offline test, offline mode. And I said paper 1 is computer based test. The paper 1 consists of what? Maths, physics and chemistry. This is the subject based on 12th standard for all boards put together. The syllabus will be considered. And this paper 2 consists of 3 parts. Part 1, maths, and part 2 is an aptitude test. Both part 1 and part 2 will be online mode, that is MCQ questions. And in part 2, it's purely a drawing test. You know, it's based pen and paper based. You have to draw. The language, the question paper language consists of 3 languages, English, Hindi and Gujarati. And the first paper I said MCQ in maths, physics, chemistry. It got what? 90 questions, 4 mark is 360 marks. For all the correct answers will be given 4 marks. All correct answers carries 4 marks. In case if any answers goes wrong, that is wrong answers, 1 mark will be reduced. That is called negative mark. Suppose you don't answer any question, you left it as it is, no mark will be reduced, is considered as 0 mark. Regarding paper 2 is concerned, part 1, 30 question, 4 marks each, 120 marks. Second thing is 50 question, 50 into 4, 200 marks. And the drawing test, you have 2 questions. All these 2 papers, 3 hours duration, 82 questions carries 390 marks. Right? This is the structure of this paper. Now listen. And who can apply this? The 12th and equivalent. The students who have completed 12th standard and the students who are going to write this exam in this forthcoming March 2019, and they would have taken maths, physics and any one subjects in chemistry, biotechnology, biology, technical vocation subjects, any one of these with maths and physics. Maths and physics compulsory, they can apply. And regarding paper 2 that is meant for B.Org and B Planning, maths is compulsory and any other subjects. Maths is mandated. Right. This time, as a new venture, 2 attempts are permitted. For the 12 students, 2 attempts are permitted. The first attempt, 6/1/2019 Sunday to 21/2019 Sunday. In this period, any one days you can choose. The second attempt, 6/4/2019 Sunday to 24/2019 Sunday. The students can opt any one of the exams or they can write both the exams. Permitted. Out of these two, better rank, whichever is better, will be considered according to the notifications. The exams are conducted in 2 shifts. That is forenoon, 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Regarding afternoon, 12:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. How to apply? You can go in online by www.nta.ac.in or www.jeemain.nic.in. The results for January exams will be published on 17/12/2018 and regarding April exam 30/4/2019. And regarding this application procedure, quite naturally, what is the fee to be paid, how to pay the fees. You are applying an online, no doubt. You can go to the website to get the details and you can get all the online procedure there. As a part of identity card, Aadhaar card is necessary, but suppose if you don't have Aadhaar card, passport and the valid government IDs, ration card, any one of these you can make use of it. And if you want to apply either first paper or second paper, that means any one of the paper, the general candidates, OBC non-creamy layer candidate, boys have to pay 500 rupees, girls 250 rupees, Indian students. If they are from outside foreign countries, outside India, general candidate, OBC non-creamy layer, boys 2000 and girls 1000. Scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, alternately gifted. And transgenders, for boys it is 500 and for girls it is 250 in India. For outside student, for both it is rupees 1000. In case, if they want to apply for both papers, that is paper 1 and paper 2 together, they wanted to apply for BE, BTech, BR, planning, anyone. General candidate, rupees 900 for boys and 450 for girls in India, and for both SC/ST candidates, 450. And outside candidates for both boys and girls, they are supposed to pay 1500 rupees. Right, the first attempt. First exam result will be declared on 1/9/2018 and the last day, we are supposed to apply from 1/9/2018 to 30/9/2018. Mind you, 30/9/2018 is the last day to apply. In the same way, if you wanted to write for April exam, it is between 8/2/2018 to 7/3/2018. That is, last date is 7/3/2018. And you remember, it's an important information. The National Testing Agency will conduct the exam and declare the result. There ends the matter. The other parameters will be done by CSAB, Centralized Seat Admission Board. That is called Joint Seat Admission Authority, JOSAA. That they will publish the result. I think you have got all the information regarding JEE exam. Good luck.